I feel free.
You feel free. Breathing good now.
Breathing good now. His lat's going to help, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to open up my shoulders and my back, and everything will feel better.
Yeah. G'day guys, Ninja and Jace.
Hello.
Going to treat your lat.
My lat.
Latissimus dorsi.
Oh, he's done it. That's some good anatomy,
So,
Ninja.
joins up in here. So we're going to start up in here. He just told me that before. So joins onto in the tricep there. Mike, what's going on, mate?
Just
anatomy
the
by me.
medial aspect of the bicipital groove, I'm pretty sure is
Is
what
it?
the
Not in your
technical
time.
term is. Oh, you're going straight in with the elbow.
Fucking you, fuck you, mate. Tease me about my bloody anatomy. I'm going to give you the workout you'll never forget. Look at squeezing his bicep into his head.
It started well, Ninja.
Yeah, always starts well. I don't think we've ever had a video that started well, have we? It's fucking not going to happen.
I don't mean to do it. It's just
Laugh at me. It's not nice. So I'm just going to go through here. I reckon we're in some good stuff here.
you're already in some good stuff.
Yeah. Come out here, Leo. Look where I'm at. Look at that. That's really creaming that part. Isn't that like when you hit a ball flush, you know?
Creamed it.
You creamed it, don't you? Hit a ball, you know, when you kick it, you really kick it flush with the good timing and that. Yeah, it's going to get in there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to slowly get through this big lat part, but then we're going to get right into where it joins onto the sacrum, down lower.
Oh,
So I'm
good.
just sort of moving across. So yeah, we can kind of get his arm to stretch out like that. I can go onto his ribs and then give it a bit of a floss. Floss the fossil. This
Floss
old
the
bloke.
fossil?
Yeah.
I'm the fossil, am
You're
I?
the
Yeah?
fossil.
All right.
I'm a young bloke.
Yeah.
Don't call me a fossil. I'm getting in first.
Yeah.
Call you a fossil before
Yeah.
you call me one.
No, I would never Ninja.
Never?
Nah.
Nah. I'm a young man. I feel young. I feel young. When you're injured, you don't feel too young, do you?
Nah, not at all.
We're in the middle of a fucking lat treatment.
Oh.
So what I'm going to try and do, so there's really white fascia down here. So I'm going to try and go right onto that line so we can get Jace to kind of stretch out down that way a bit.
Oh, it feels good. Oh,
What do they call those videos? ASMRs? You're good at them, I reckon.
Am I?
Yeah. The noises you make. So in the QL just here too, I can feel there's a bit of gunk in here. But what we're really trying to do is really stretch out that lat. Give it some love. I might even go across into your glute. Top of your glute there. So yeah, I'm getting the point of my elbow right into the sacrum now, that area. And really get that to stretch out. Really thin down through here.
Oh,
In there.
real bony. Oh.
Want all that fascia to melt. I'm going to go down
Oh.
over here like that. How's that feel?
Oh, I feel free.
You feel free. Breathing good now.
Feeling good now. His lat's going to help, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to open up my shoulders and my back, and everything will feel better.
Yeah. So what's the main function of the lat, Jace?
It does a bit of internal rotation of the shoulder, so going this way. Extension, I'm pretty sure, because it can limit your ability to reach overhead. So, yeah.
So then there's a stretch out. So then you're doing pull-ups and things like that. You're climbing trees.
Yeah, that's it.
So let's go the other way.
Go the other way.
So let's
Oh, that feels really good. Oh,
stretch up. Dig up.
Oh, dig up, stupid. Oh, under that rib. Oh.
So yeah, when we go up, we're going to catch little things that can be caught underneath the ribs. When we're coming down, we're kind of anything on top of the ribs that are kind of stuck. We're kind of hitting them.
Oh, so it's good to get it from both angles, is what you're saying, Ninj?
Yeah. Switch it around.
Some ways for one person might not be that painful, but you go the other way and you hit the spot.
Yeah.
So it can just be the way that the muscle's stuck in a shortened state or where the blocks are.
Yeah.
Certain angles hit it better.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit of counter strain by pulling down with that hand and stretching up.
Oh.
So yeah, I can feel we're going over like the scapula here, the old shoulder blade.
That's it.
So anything that's kind of caught under there, stretching it out.
Oh.
So yeah, the ultimate stretch is the myofascial release. So if you can sometimes stretch till the cows come home and you don't get that much range, but when you do myofascial release, you get so much range just in one session if it's delivered well. So I'm just going to try and go over. You can kind of see just how much I'm just getting a lot of connection with you. It's not sharp. It's a really broad kind of thing. Lots of my forearm is connecting with Jace. Like that. So I'm going to take this over and hit through this bit and going up towards his tricep. So getting up on the table now.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
You're going to crush me.
Yeah.
Oh. Make sure I don't punch myself in the face.
Yeah.
Oh.
Big biceps of yours.
Oh, jeez, I'm going to be like a contortionist after this.
Yeah. So when we got to see the app, Body by Jace.
The app, you
Yeah,
reckon?
that's what people, like all the cool kids are doing, aren't they?
Yeah, fitness apps.
Fitness apps.
Yeah, maybe we'll have to look into that.
Yeah, Body by Jace.
That's what you're calling it?
Yeah. Everyone wants to be Jace. Well, look like Jace, you got to train like Jace.
What about eat like me and Inge? What do you reckon?
Nah.
Nah? You don't rate it?
Nah.
Why not?
Too much meat, mate.
Too much meat? No, you can't have enough. I'm not even full carnivore, Ninja.
No.
I could do way more than this.
Yeah.
Oh.
How's that feel?
Oh.
Glad it's over.
Good on this side. The other shoulder's been smooshed together, so it feels like I've been smashed. Oh, how'd we go?
Good. I think we're
Is that what you're coining it? Done?
done.
Done.
Time's up. His lat is stretched.
Fixed.
Fixed.
Is what he's saying. Thanks, Ninja.
Done.
Done. Oh.